Welcome to the AI Factory podcast. In this episode, we will talk about the AI-powered professional, covering a comprehensive guide to navigating the new world of work. If you like such content, please subscribe to this channel.
Hello all. Artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing how work gets done and what skills jobs require. Today's episode covers how employers, employees, and developers can understand and thrive in this AI-powered professional landscape. We will go beyond sensational headlines and offer grounded, simple, but strategic steps for success. Let's remember, the impact of AI is not the automation of jobs, but re-engineering of how tasks get done, collaboratively between human and AI.
AI is fundamentally re-engineering tasks and creating a new collaborative paradigm between humans and intelligent systems. It's not a threat to be feared, but a co-pilot to be mastered. The advent of AI is fundamentally changing how work gets done and what skills jobs require. It's transforming tasks, not just replacing entire roles. AI-powered tools are increasingly handling routine and repetitive tasks like document processing and data analysis, freeing human workers to focus on higher-value activities. AI literacy has emerged as a critical professional asset, redefining career trajectories. Employers seek candidates who can thoughtfully apply AI in various roles. The adoption of AI often leads to a temporary decline in performance, followed by stronger growth. This initial dip is a necessary adjustment for organizational restructuring. The introduction of AI often causes a temporary decline in performance, especially in older companies with legacy systems. This is a crucial phase of organizational overhaul. After adjustment, AI adopters outperform non-adopters. AI drives a profound transformation, creating a self-improving, resilient, and innovative business model. AI literacy is a new career currency. This section provides simple, actionable advice for professionals at different stages of their careers.
Here's the thing. AI isn't some far-off futuristic concept. It's a tool that's already here, and it's something you can learn to use right now to build a strong foundation for your future career. Let's think of mastering AI as a marathon, not a sprint. Start with the basics and get comfortable over time. Remember also that it's not just about the technical skills. The smartest students are those who learn to use AI as an assistant to help you with, well, everything, literally.
Students and beginners should master prerequisites like math and Python. Use AI for career exploration, resume polishing, and mock interview prep. For everyday employees, AI acts as a personal assistant, boosting daily productivity. Use AI for email drafting, summarization, and content generation. Team leaders and managers must cultivate an AI-ready workforce. Lead with responsible AI, establish training programs, and use AI for strategic planning. Anyone can start with AI using free, accessible tools. These are training wheels for the future of work, building prompt engineering skills without financial barriers. Chatbots like ChatGPT and Google Gemini summarize articles, generate creative dialogue, and assist with daily tasks, building essential AI collaboration skills. Major cloud providers offer free tiers for core AI services. Google Cloud's Gemini API and other foundational services provide accessible entry points for advanced use. A structured learning plan is essential for career advancement in AI. Strategic self-assessment guides your journey, ensuring a meaningful return on investment. The proliferation of AI certifications signals that AI underpins every profession. From foundational programs to academic credentials, choose the right fit for your career aspirations. Certifications exist for business leaders, developers, and data scientists, validating diverse AI skills. The right certification depends on your background and goals. The AI revolution is about re-engineering work, not wholesale replacement. Embrace AI as a partner that enhances human strengths, critical thinking, creativity, and strategic judgment.
So what did we discuss today? AI revolution is not about the wholesale replacement of jobs, but about the fundamental re-engineering of work. Most significantly, the deconstruction of traditional roles into a series of AI-optimized tasks, the shift of human value from raw creation to curation, and the necessity of a temporary productivity dip initially. As we discussed, the most successful professionals will be those who embrace a mindset of collaboration and continuous learning.
They will view AI as a partner that enhances their unique human strengths, critical thinking, creativity, strategic judgment, unlocking a new era of unprecedented professional potential. For employers, the imperative is to invest in the technology, the human-AI ecosystem, focusing on culture, training, ethical governance. For employees, the path forward involves proactively embracing AI literacy as a new career currency and leveraging readily available tools to boost daily productivity.